So how to add Metrobank to Apple Pay? So to add Metrobank to Apple Pay, you're going to want to head over to the wallet app right here. Then once you're on your wallet app, you're going to want to click the plus sign right here. Then from there, click debit or credit card. And then it's going to open you up to this page here. And to add your Metrobank to Apple Pay, you're just going to need to scan it to your phone. Then once you've done that, you're just going to need to confirm if the details match. And if they do, confirm your expiry and 3-digit code. Then once you've done that, you'll be given the terms and conditions. So give that a read. And if you agree, click agree. Then once you've agreed to the terms, you'll just need to wait for the details to be added. And you should be given this screen here, which will confirm that your card has now been added to Apple Pay. And then lastly, you might be asked to do a phone verification. And once that's done, you can also set it as your default. And now your Metrobank card is in Apple Pay, and you can go ahead and start using it for contactless payments. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.